Hi viewers, welcome back to my another video. I am Priyanka and you are watching Priyanka's Unlimited Teaching. Today I'll show you how to make a flower top out of waste bottle. With this bottle I used to water the plant and give medicine to the plants. As the bottles were broken, I thought I would make a flower top with these bottles. First I took it according to how I would cut it. I cut the bottle with a cutter. Now I will heat the iron and make holes for the water to fall behind. I am cutting a flower with the top of the bottle. Now I will paint the bottle red and another bottle green. I have used acrylic color. At this stage, I will draw the cat's face on the bottle. When the drawing is done, I attach the cut flower with super glue. I will also attach some more flowers. My beautiful flower top is ready. Now you can decorate it with fake flowers at home or any plant in your garden. Hope the flower tops will add beauty to your garden. That is all for today. Hope you have liked the video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos. Take care. Tata.